So clearly, a lot of work, a lot of projects, a lot of effort going on here in the city of Hawthorne that Mayor Vargas will soon be covering in a lot more depth. But my last order of business here tonight is, I'm a little bit confused on this because I was asked to introduce a man that needs no introduction. He knows everybody and almost everybody knows him. He currently and has for over 4 decades served as the executive director of the South Bay Workforce Investment Board. He is a friend to the entire Southern California region, a friend to local schools, a friend to local businesses, and most certainly a friend to the city of Hawthorne. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jan Vogel.
That music's a little too fast for me to sing, so we're going to skip that. So, thank you very much, everybody, and it's an honor and a privilege for me to be able to introduce the Mayor of Hawthorne today. And I do want to share with you that Mayor Vargas is expecting everybody at the end of his speech to jump in the water. So, I hope you brought your swimsuits. That was in the memo. And I think Angie and Katrina and Alex Montero are going to be the first ones. They're going to take their clothes off, jump in. If you don't have a suit on, that's okay. The chief says only half of you will be arrested today. Anyway, here we go. Mayor Alex Vargas has proudly served the city of Hawthorne since 2009, continuing a legacy of visionary leadership rooted in lifelong community ties. Born and raised in Hawthorne, Mayor Vargas remains committed to driving economic growth, enhancing infrastructure, and uplifting residents through the inclusive forward-thinking initiatives. With a Bachelor's of Science in Physics from California State University, Dominguez Hills, and a Master's degree of Science in Physics from California State University, Long Beach, Mayor Vargas brings a unique blend of analytical expertise and real-world experience. In addition to his civic duties, he serves as a physics professor at El Camino College and serves as a math and science educator teaching incarcerated adults in the LA County jail system. He also has a professional background in the aerospace industry, experience that has helped bridge connections with major tech and aerospace employers. Under Mayor Vargas' leadership, Hawthorne has experienced economic progress. The city's reserves have grown from $5 million to over $100 million, and major companies continue to deepen their roots in the community. His administration continues to focus on responsible fiscal management, business attraction and retention, and quality of life improvements for all residents. In 2024, Mayor Vargas led key efforts to strengthen Hawthorne's infrastructure, community services, public safety, and the city's economic growth. Major accomplishments included significant upgrades to local parks and recreational spaces, strategic improvements to traffic flow and pedestrian safety near school zones, and expansion of workforce development partnerships to support youth unemployment, beautification initiatives such as the new public art installations, and enhanced landscaping along major corridors. Looking ahead into 2025 and 26, Mayor Vargas is championing the revitalization and expansion of City Hall and Civic Center Park and the Senior Center redesign. These transformative infrastructure projects are designed to reinvigorate downtown Hawthorne, drawing new businesses, increasing public engagement, and creating a vibrant urban core. His administration remains committed to fundamental objectives such as job creation, public safety, and housing stability. Mayor Vargas continues to drive progress through community collaboration, strategic planning, and unwavering dedication to the residents of Hawthorne. Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my privilege to bring up my friend, Mayor Alex Vargas.